sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi Ma, happy birthday! I hope today makes you smile, and I hope you know that I appreciate you so much and thank you for all the sacrifices you've made para sa aming magkapatid. I love you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. I just wanted to thank you for being such a good mother to us. And even though you have your own struggles, mas pinipili mo pa rin unahin kami and mas pinipili mo pa rin ibigay sa amin kung anong meron ka. And please stop doing na your bad habits because it's not good for your health. And also, sabi mo, gusto mong maabutan yung mga future na anak nila ate. And I wanted you to be at my graduation soon. You're the strongest and sweetest woman I know. I love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-enjoy ka na.
Hi Mama Kay, happy birthday. I'm with Jillian and Papa na bumabati sa'yo at wish ka ng good health and more blessing lalo na ngayon sa birthday mo. And of course sa iyong family. Always take care dyan sa work mo and always remember, nandito lang kami palagi for you kapag kailangan mo ng kausap at kainuman. Ako yan. So, drink your medicine. Nat Alfonso Light. Bye!
Happy birthday, Pookie!
Happy birthday, Mama Kay.
Wish you good health.
And then, Mama Kay, sana magkaroon ng... sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. And then, we wish you na magkaroon ng magandang holiday din ngayong taon. And then, yung next year, sana matupad lahat ng mga wish mo and then yung dream mo para sa family mo and sa sarili mo. And yun lang, happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday. God.
Happy birthday po Mama Kay. Ang wish ko po sa inyo is good health and sana minom na tayo. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi and sana mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong araw.
Excuse me, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy 58th birthday po Mama Kay. You know, tama na kakayosi sa bahay. Naway marami pa pong biyaya ang dumating sa iyo, wag lang po yosi. Happy birthday po Mama Kay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ate. May God's loves and blessings surround you today. And always wishing you peace, joy, and strength as you step into this new chapter of life. Happy birthday, I love you. Shut na.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate
Kay! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
God bless you as soon as possible.
Happy birthday po. Praying for good health and more blessings to come.
Hi ate, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama Kay!
We love you. May you have more birthdays to come.
Bye!
Bye.
Shoutout sa'yo. Happiest birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Mama Kay. I wish that you have more birthdays to come and I miss you. Love you.
Hi ate, happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Good health. Ingatan mo na.
Good health.
Kalusugan mo. Miss you.
Alak pa more! Wait lang.
Babe, bilisan.
Tararan! Happy birthday!
Okay, happy birthday ate.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, Mama Kay. Ipanim lang, ha?
Good lagi, ate.
Live longer and always be memorable.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!